I'm going to rebuild the Sunoco gas station, because it got destroyed with an RPG by Foofa. Plotagon logic, rebuild the Sunoco gas station. Yes, I rebuilt the Sunoco gas station. Yes, I rebuilt the Sunoco gas station. Yes, I rebuilt the Sunoco gas station.
Whitney, thanks for rebuilding the Sunoco gas station. You may go home now.
Whitney, good job for rebuilding the Sunoco gas station. Now it's finally replaced. Thanks to you.
You are ungrounded forever. You can go do whatever you want.
Thank you, Mikey and Lily, you're the best.